Hi, welcome to Henry's Bird Room. Today we're going to check out a pair that I put together a while back. It just took them a little while to get together. Is a white, I believe it might be border or half border, an American Singer, because it's very large. I picked it up at a friend who breeds, and we traded. So to be honest, I don't know the background of that bird, but I liked it, and it's when you see it, you'll see it's very big and beautiful. So I put it together with my Bronze Half Gloster female, my Corona. She's already on 5X. I'm hoping that, like I said before, this late in the day, almost at the end of the season, there's a chance that I might not get all 6. She might not even, I might only get maybe 2 or 3. I'm hoping that she will have maybe 4 or 5 babies, because then like that I have a better chance of having more crested or coronas. Her corona is really big and pretty. She has a decent sized head, so along with the size of that male, the baby should be pretty nice. There might be even a chance there might be some Isabel Frost. It's a number of combination of colors that could come out of that. Let me set up the ladder, and I will show her to you, and you can see the eggs, and then we'll keep on looking at it, and you guys could witness when the babies are born. Okay. So just give me a second. Bring up the ladder. Okie doke. Okay, let's see. Alright. There she is. See how beautiful she is? There you go. Okay. See, she has 4 eggs already. That's the male. See, he has a very decent size, very large. Okay. Let me not get her to leave the nest. It'll be my fault. Let me pick you guys back up. Okay. All right. Okay, so that's what I'm working with right now. I'm hoping that it's, they come out, that I get some phenomenal birds. Because if I do, I'll be able to take them to the show with me. I don't know if you guys have been watching, have a chance to see. I'm going to be going to, or try to go to a few shows. It'll be the first time in like over 35-40 years that I participated in shows. To me, it's a great experience. I would advise it to anybody that can. Even if your birds are not competing, but it's a great experience, and you get to see a lot of different varieties of canaries that normally you might not see, and you get to pick up input from a lot of people, and it's very, how to put it, like a very friendly and hospitable environment, and the experience is great. I recommend it 100%. So, and I'm going to be streaming it live, or try to, from these shows, or at least record it if I can, stream it, so you guys can see the whole entire show from beginning to end, and see all the cool canaries and everything they're gonna have there. Okay, but you won't be able to see it unless you subscribe, and then you'll follow it right along with me. So give me your views, your likes, and hit that subscribe button. Okay, bye.